How to delete ringtone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Sounds and Haptics. These settings allow users to customize audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and also manage how haptics behave. Here, go to Ringtone as shown. You can view all the default and custom ringtones available on your phone over here. Now, find the ringtone you want to remove from the list and simply swipe left on it. A delete button will now appear on the right side. Tap on it to remove the ringtone from your device. The ringtone has now been successfully removed and the ringtone will no longer be available. Following these steps, you can easily delete a ringtone on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.